Hi guys! This is Arella. Now for today's kwentuhan, I have a surprise question for Arella.
Actually, we're not in a real room. We're in someone's room.
So we can check how smart she is.
I am very smart.
Okay. Do you remember any... okay. What was your most embarrassing situation or moment?
Tapos na yun. Next naman. Next. Isip ka.
Sige, you answer me.
Isip ka.
Ba't ako? I'm asking you nga eh. Think of an embarrassing moment.
I was dancing in the mall. I put my cellphone here because and someone looked at me.
Oh, why will you feel embarrassed? What did you do? Did you do anything not so nice or?
I just danced.
Oh, wala naman dapat ika-embarrass. It's not embarrassing. It's okay now. What else?
Yun lang. Can I get my socks?
No.
Okay, let me check how big I am.
Dali, I'm giving you time to think.
I am thinking. I cannot think.
Dali, I'm giving you time to think.
I am thinking. Give me time.
Me, I have an embarrassing situation
Ano?
the past week.
Ano?
I'm wearing my rubber shoes.
Nasira!
Then, me and my friend went out to a walking. Nag-walking kami. Eh kasi umulan that time. Pero after nung ulan, tsaka kami nag-walking. So, ayun, pagtingin ko dun sa shoes ko, parehong natanggal yung swelas. As in, dalawa pa sila. Eh, ang layo pa namin. Balak pa rin namin hindi pa kami tapos mag-walking that time. Tapos, ayun na, yung parehang swelas ng sapatos ko natanggal. So, ano ginawa namin? What we did? Nag-ask kami ng mga rubber bands dun sa store. Lagyan ko ng 2 rubber band yung shoes para mailakad ko yung shoes, rubber shoes ko.
Bago ka naman, Nima.
Oh
Hindi
my
mo naman
God.
tinapon.
But paano ako makaka-uwi? How can I go home if I'll throw my shoes?
Mabuhat ka kay doon na akin.
Hindi ako kaya buhatin ng friend ko. Ano ba? Mas mabigat ako. That was the embarrassing experience na so far na happened mga weeks ago lang. O diba, talagang dalawa pa sila, 2 shoes ko pa yung natanggal. Talagang ngumanga talaga yung yung swelas. Kailangan na ng kapalit ng rubber shoes ko. Kaya nga, I bought another one. Pero dinikit ko pa rin naman yung rubber shoes. Pwede pa rin naman magamit siguro. So, hindi ko pa natatry ulit gamitin kung hindi na siya aangat. Inano ko lang. Ano pa tawag doon?
Actually, guys, I learned this from YouTube.
Dito ka.
I can play a piano.
How about you? And think of any embarrassing moment. Sinasabi niya kasi, last week nandun kami sa mall eh.
Nagsayaw ako.
Diba? Nagda-dance siya. Hiram yung cellphone ko. So, somebody looked at her. So, what did you say?
So, the other embarrassing moment is...
Wala ka naman sinabi dun sa girl na nag-look sa'yo.
Yung embarrassing is... Diba, nasa Virgin Town kami ng Cheska. Nag-sing ako!
Ay, oo nga. Pero still, nakijump kasi siya dun sa isang parang sa Bridgetown, parang may part doon na mayroong kumakanta, ano matawag doon. Basta mayroong singer na nagpe-perform while kumakain kami. So, nakijump si Arella doon.
Kami ni Cheska nag-jump kami.
Oo, she jumped with it. So, ano ba yung kinanta mo? You think it's embarrassing, pero nagawa pa rin naman niya, 'di ba? Kahit na you feel shy, at least you still manage to do it and finish the song, 'di ba?
Sana yung kinanta ko, super siya,
Pero ano ba yung show us nga? What did you sing by that time?
I love you, baby.
Okay.
Sabi ko, diba sabi ko, kumakanta ako, I love you. Mababa na ako.
Yeah, it's embarrassing for her, but she still managed to finish the song.
I was so embarrassed because
Embarrassed.
I saw my director.
Yeah, pero very good yan. Ang galing niya kumanta. Embarrassing para sa kanya, but still she managed to finish the song. Very good. Good job yun.
I will ask you a question, Mama.
Okay na, that's enough na.
Hindi, just one question.
Okay na, next time na lang, okay? Ayan, that's all for our kwentuhan.
Wait lang, guys.
That's all for our kwentuhan. Till our next video. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Say bye.
Bye. Ding, ding, ding.